SUAPP AIA installation and usage. SUAPP AIA officially released. Now let's teach you how to install and use. First, we open the browser. Enter suapp.ai in the address bar. Click Download on the home page. There are 3 products here. Click SUAPP AIR to download. Open SketchUp. Click Extension Manager. Find the SUAPP AIR we just downloaded. Right-click on the toolbar. Check AIA for SketchUp. Open it. Now we can use SUAPP AIR. We can import images directly. We can also select the created image in the SUAPP AIR history. Double-click a rendering. Select animation mode. There are currently 3 modes. We can choose the direction in which the camera moves and the intensity of the camera movement. Rendering animations will take a little longer. This way the image will be animated. Then there is sense emotion. We can enter text in the description. AI can understand and combine camera movements to create animations. Create. Click the download button in the upper right corner to save. Another function is video filtering. We can import the generated animation. Reselected style. Click Create. In this way, the videos we uploaded can be converted into other styles.